Hello students, I am your professor Anthony Pagan, and this video is for the PC Pro certification exam. We're going to go over some tips to prepare you for your final examination for the semester. A super exciting time. We're almost at the end, so if you've been up to date with all your assignments and completing your simulations along with your end of chapter exams, you should be ready to go for your final exam. So just to kind of go over a few things, let's go to Test Out. So if you navigate or log into Test Out, you would go all the way down to where it says PC Pro Certification Exam. You'll notice there's 1 through 10 domains, and then once you're done with 1 through 10, then what you'd want to do to prepare yourself would be to take the PC Pro Certification Practice Exam. While you're going through the domains, I would recommend maybe having a pen and paper handy so that if there are domains that you have questions on, or you're unfamiliar with certain terms or certain simulations and how to go about completing them, you can jot that information down. So at the conclusion of that domain, you can go back and review and do what you need to do to prepare, so that if that particular topic does come up on your final exam, you're not caught off guard, or it's a question or simulation that you are unable to complete successfully. So that would be my suggestion there. As you can see, there's quite a bit of content here throughout the domains, so you want to allow yourself enough time to prepare for the exam. Speaking of the exam date is the set date per your syllabus. You will have up until 11:59 p.m. on the date of the final exam to complete your exam and earn your grade. So make sure you, one, put some notifications on your smartphone as a reminder prior to the exam, and maybe a few hours before that you have it in your mind of when you're going to take the exam. And also make sure you're in an environment that is free of distractions, because this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you've been working so hard for throughout the course of the semester, this certification. So be sure to put yourself in an environment that's going to ensure your success. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection. This is online. You'll log on to Test Out, and you will see under Custom Exams section where a notification that'll state, click here for your certification exam. It is a timed exam. I believe the maximum time is 2 hours. So if that is something that you want to be mindful of. And I would also go to the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, on the home page of Test Out. Let's go there right now, matter of fact. And this is a good way to go ahead and get some information in regards to what it is you're in for. So I went to the Test Out PC Pro certification section there on the home page. What do you know? 120 minutes, 15 performance-based simulation questions, up to 50 tasks. So as you can see, it's quite involved, quite detailed. So and like I mentioned earlier, time limit, looks like the maximum time limit is 2 hours. All right, so definitely be mindful of that. Passing score is 1360 on a scale of 2000. So in the event that you miss it by a few points, which I know many of you will not be missing it, if you are fall under that category, then I believe it's a $39 retake fee for the exam. What I would suggest is wait a week or two in between your retake, unless you're off by only a couple of points and you're eager to get that certification. Definitely take a look at the information at the end of the exam and the areas that you may need to review or brush up on so that you can improve your score. So that's a good area to really peruse prior to the taking of your exam. Also, what I would also suggest would be, if at all possible, take it during the day. As you can see right here, there's an 800 number in the event that you have any type of support issues. So because it is a 2-hour difference, I believe they're Central Time, or you want to be mindful of that, so that if you do have technical difficulties, please do yourselves a favor. Not only write this number down, but if you can at all, take it at a time where you can get the technical support that you do need. Hey, it's technology, ladies and gentlemen. Things, unfortunately, don't work at particular times, and you want to get the help and support you need. Also, keep me in the loop if for whatever reason you have issues with your exam. Shoot me an email. Make sure prior to contacting me, you reach out to the support folks at TestOut. Get a case number so that I know you're in the works to getting this resolved and this is a legitimate issue. So those are some of the things that I would definitely be mindful of and practice, so that you're on your path to success. Beyond that, that covers any technical difficulties in regards to TestOut. And hopefully at the conclusion, you're not only going to get a good grade in the course, but also get certified. And I would definitely look on to getting the CompTIA A+ certification under your belt as well over the winter break. Great time to study for that. And speaking of which, your certification, or your course, your license for TestOut includes the CompTIA practice exams for the 220-901 along with the 220-902. So 901 is more hardware based, and then 902 is focused on the operating systems. So that's another resource that you've already paid for. So utilize the resource, and do me a favor, if you do take the CompTIA A+ certification exam and you do get certified, feel free to shoot me an email and let me know. We'd love to celebrate your success. And definitely go to the Canvas course site. You can access your X voucher, which gives you 50% off of your exam. So it's almost like a 2-for-1 special, pretty much, being that the A+ certification is 2 exams. So definitely utilize that discount. It's something you as an LBCC student are fortunate enough to receive. So capitalize on that, and I hope many of you get certified and start off 2017 with your first of which I hope is our many industry certifications. Lastly, moving to the spring semester, being that you are taking 5 with me now, the next sequence of courses you can take with me would be the COSN 10, which would be networking fundamentals. The format, if you're strictly an online student, it's pretty much the same thing. It's all TestOut Lab Sim. So if this model worked for you, awesome. If you want to switch things up and maybe obtain and gain some hands-on skills, come on by to the LAC campus. Look me up online. I think Monday through Thursday, I have multiple sections of 10 going from the evening from 6 to 9 to 3:30 to 5:35 Monday through actually, yeah, Monday through Thursday, and I believe there's a 1 to 3 p.m. section as well. Like I said, check it out online, and we'd love to see you in class. I think you'll really enjoy the dynamic of a face-to-face class. We do a lot of hands-on activities, and hopefully at this point of the semester and your experience, you're understanding that there's a lot more to troubleshooting than just pointing and clicking simulations. So we'd love to see you. If you have any questions, do me a favor. By now, hopefully you know my email, but in the event that you don't, it's apagan@lbcc.edu. Feel free to shoot me an email if you have any questions. I allow 24 to 48 hours as usual to receive a response from me. And that pretty much wraps everything I needed to communicate to you as far as this video goes. It was an honor serving as your instructor this semester. I really enjoy the online educational experience and environment, and I hope you did as well. So have a wonderful winter break, and I look forward to seeing you next semester. Enjoy. Take care.